Got a wet radiator out for him, really.
Wiped out, remember, back in March. Looking back at it all, she knows she did this to herself, that she's responsible. But Bachman also thinks the casinos knew what she was doing better than she did, that they sat back and watched it happen. That's why she sued. Because of the terms of the settlement, Bachman and Caesar...
Let's go! AM 790 and FM 104.3 HD2 The Ticket. Broadcasting live from the Anajar and Levine Accident Attorney Studios.
Shit.
Call 1-800-747-FREE. That's 1-800-747-3733.
Looking for great music for your tailgate or barbecue? Go to the Odyssey app and download stations built for sports fans. Search for Black Voices and Inspiration. A tribute to the incredible Black artists who have contributed their music to the
Hey, you good, man?
BetQL Hot Streak, featuring music from The Who, Rolling Stones, Billy Joel, and more. And of course, Arena Rock to get you pumped for the game. Exclusive music stations for sports fans. Available at the Odyssey app now. Bet fearlessly on your favorite sport with a risk-free first wager up to $1,000 at BetMGM. Sign up today using bonus code DailyTip and get in the game with the king of sportsbooks. Tap into BetMGM's innovative parlay selection builders, live betting options, boosted odds.